Is your EETV box constantly switching off or entering standby mode unexpectedly? You're not alone. This is a common issue affecting about 15 to 20% of users, especially those with boxes manufactured between 2020 and 2024. Let's start by understanding your EETV box. This device has several built-in power management features that are designed to save energy and protect the hardware. EETV boxes have legitimate power management features. Eco mode automatically switches to standby after 4 hours of inactivity. Thermal protection shuts down the device when overheating is detected, and signal loss protection enters standby when no signal is detected for extended periods. However, unwanted power downs can be caused by several issues: firmware glitches from corrupted software, overheating due to poor ventilation, power supply problems with faulty adapters, HDMI communication issues with your TV, or even remote control interference from stuck buttons. Remote control problems like stuck buttons can send continuous signals to your box, while firmware issues in the internal circuitry can cause unexpected behavior. Don't worry, these issues can be fixed. We'll focus on practical solutions to get your TV box working reliably again. Most problems can be resolved in just a few minutes with the right approach. Let's start with the most effective first step: a power cycle reset. This simple process resolves nearly half of all EETV box power issues. First, unplug your EETV box from the power outlet and wait exactly 30 seconds. This allows all internal components to fully discharge and reset. While waiting, ensure all cables are securely connected. HDMI, power, and any Ethernet cables should be firmly plugged in. Next, we'll adjust the power management settings that often cause unwanted shutdowns. Solution 2 involves disabling the automatic standby features that may be causing your box to turn off unexpectedly. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Power Management. Here you'll find the auto standby option that needs to be turned off or extended to maximum timeout. The third solution involves updating your box's firmware, which often contains fixes for power management issues. Firmware updates frequently resolve power-related bugs and improve overall system stability. Go to Settings, then System, then Software Update. Select Check for Updates and allow the system to download and install any available firmware automatically. If the problem persists, we need to address HDMI CEC settings, which can cause communication conflicts between your TV and EE box. HDMI CEC allows devices to control each other, but this can sometimes cause unwanted power commands that shut down your EE box. Navigate to Settings, Display and Audio, then HDMI Control, and turn this feature off. This prevents your TV from sending power commands to the EE box. Finally, proper ventilation is crucial. Overheating is a major cause of automatic shutdowns and can be easily prevented. According to EE technical engineers, proper ventilation and settings configuration resolve 75% of all reported power issues. Ensure at least 6 inches of clearance around all sides of your EE TV box. Clean the air vents regularly with compressed air to remove dust buildup that blocks airflow. These 5 solutions, when applied systematically, resolve the vast majority of EETV box power issues. Start with the power cycle reset and work through each step until your box operates normally.